Hi friends, here in this video we are going to see the formula for loss of head due to pipe bend or elbows. So let's get started. So here we have a pipe bend which is used to change the direction of flow. So when the fluid flows over here, when its direction goes on changing, at that time also there is some loss which is called as the loss of head due to the pipe bend, and this depends upon the material of the bend, the velocity of flow and the direction or the angle of the bend. So head loss due to pipe bend is given by the formula h suffix bend is equal to k suffix b into v square upon 2g. Unit in terms of meter, where k suffix b is called as the coefficient of bend, which has different values for different kinds of bends. V is the velocity of fluid which is flowing inside the pipeline, and the unit is meter per second. 2 and g are constants. G is having the value 9.81 meter per second square. So by this formula we can calculate the head loss due to the bend which changes the direction of flow. Unit is in terms of meter, and this should be considered. It is a kind of minor loss which should be considered while solving the problems related to minor losses. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.